Well, hello, everybody. In case you don't remember who I am, it's me, Myra, the Mad Scrapper. You say, Myra who? That crazy woman who doesn't scraft anymore? Yeah, that's me. That's the one. I came with you with some stuff that came in days ago from HSN, and that kind of tells you how my life has been. For me to go days without being able to even open a package, it tells you how crazy life is right now. I am working some pretty hellacious hours, and we are bouncing back and forth between my mother and Peanut Gallery's mother, and in between I'm squeezing and trying to keep up with my garden and not killing everything. So I mean, it's been intense. Most days I'm just, bordering on exhaustion. So it's like, okay, today I at least wanted to open this stuff to figure out what I have and maybe actually shoot some more video of a project I've had on my desk that I wanted to work on for days, for a solid week. I don't know what's wrong. I'm just like, by the time I have time to do something, I'm so tired I don't even want to lift a finger. So today I'm doing a little bit better, so we're going to give it a whirl. So let's see what came from HSN. Part of this is from the last craft day. Part of this, I think, is auto ships. Part of it is who knows what's going to show up in here. It might be a llama. So let's get cracking and see what's in here. Let's see. Let's open up this bag number one. Woo! And my little thingamajigger. This is, let's see. Oh, this is the scratch-off kit. You guys see the scratch-off kit from HSN from Diamond Press? This is what it is. This was so stinking adorable. And in the time that I ordered and hemmed and hawed about getting the refill for it, the refill sold out. So I'm like kind of stalking it because I have delusions that I'm actually going to do the project. So, think happy thoughts for me on that. But this is the kit at least. I got the card kit with the scratcher. Guys, just the scratches. It's like, oh my gosh, this is like, scrapbooking the lottery scratcher, right? So let's get this opened up. Let me pull this. It's all stuck together. Okay, we're going to send, as I usually do, the box flying because it just takes up space. But these are the dies. So you can tell this is already your ticket. These are the little scratcher things that you use to make the scratch off. So it's the whole thing. So you have the golden ticket. Something must be made with this. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. But see, so it has the dies to cut them out. Here we've got the stamps. So let's crack these open. These are nice sized. This is really cool. So I'm really jazzed. So we got the golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket. Okay, that was your movie trivia for the day. Cool is that? Can you guys see that? Let me see here. I got some sparkly paper. Let me see. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. Or happy birthday. I love that. Look at that. Scratch and match 3 to win a birthday present. I love it. Way too cute. And then we have here, let's see, Lucky in Love. As a lucky bearer of this ticket, you're entitled to the following. And then I'm assuming, let's see, that we would be stamping things off of here. So let me turn them upside down. What do you think? For everything, you made my day. You're the best. All of these. Breakfast in bed. So here's what you're going to win. Favorite dessert, oh, good Lord. Favorite dinner. Over here, we've got just the amount here. So that would be probably for the birthday candles. So if you're doing a birthday card and you're giving cash, how cool is that? Very stinking adorable. So this is exciting. And it's very easy. Really, I watched, I'm pretty sure I've seen V&A demonstrated, and I've also seen it being done on HSN Craft Day. So, and I hardly watch. This is the day that I have the least watched the shows. Usually I'm glued to the TV. And this time around, I just wasn't there. I'm a little out of sorts. I'm gonna admit that. And I don't know. And I need to get out of or into sorts. Is that a thing? Does that make sense? We'll see. So meanwhile, I'm going to put this back in the bag, and hopefully it doesn't grow cobwebs before I actually do something with it. Although I'm really, this is what I need. Oh, and see, as always, mind you, it always comes with the folder for the marquee. And here is let me try this. Let me see if I can get this out. This is the shim they give you to cut the acetate. Is there acetate? I'm sure there's acetate in here somewhere that I missed, which is probably what they're talking about are these strips. So that's what it is. So yes, I'm jazzed. I'm hoping to make or find some time to do it. I don't know how I'm going to pull it off this weekend. We're due to go to Steve's mom's house on Thursday. He's off. He's working at Amazon, not 4/10s because of Prime Day, 4/12s from today until Thursday. So his usual schedule is Sunday through Wednesday, but he's also working Thursday. So the competition is on as to which of the two, one of us is going to be more poopier, pooped out more. Poor guy. But then he'll wake up, and then we're going to go to his mom's on Friday. She needs some stuff done at the house, and then we have to go to my sister's because my niece's engagement party is on Saturday, so I have to help set up with that, and I'm supposed to do a Zoom for a project for Hearts and Crafts. I don't even know how I'm going to pull all of this off, because I have one other event, so I'm supposed to be at 3 places at once, and we all know that, yeah, no, that's not happening, so we're going to have to figure it out. Now, having done that, enough of my whining and complaining. Let's see what else HSN sent me. Let's see what else came in from the Craft Day order. Let's get this open. Whee! I got 2. My little crumply little order sheet. So, let's see right here. Oh, this is the auto ship. This is my hidden messages dies with stamps. Where did I just hid this. I'm being too efficient, man. I'm putting away things instead of just tossing them around like I usually do. But let's see. Yep, this is the hidden messages. I'm on the auto ships for all of these. My gosh, I can't even open and pull things out of a box. No, let's get this. Oh my goodness. This is from, my gosh, this is from last year. I'm still getting the auto ships. I don't know how many are left. I'm going to have to go look. Because this is like the mystery order until I saw the confirmation in my email. I'm like, oh, what did I order? I'm like, oh, okay, it's that. So here we go. Let's find the sheet because that's the best way to see what I've got in here. Oh, this one is down. I think I remember now. Why? Because it's all about fruits and whatnot. And I thought it would be perfect with my garden. That I'm trying not to kill things here. We got watermelons, and I don't have watermelons yet. My watermelon plant right now is only giving male flowers, little tiny male flowers. Now, my spaghetti squash, on the other hand, has about 6 squashes thus far, but that's only because your truly is the biggest, fattest, bee in the county right now. I go out there, armed with the Q-tip. Checking, and I've pollinated all but 2. I missed 2 because I just didn't see them. And my zucchini now, I pollinated one of my zucchini, so the only one it's come up with now. So mostly it's just been trying to keep up with it. Today I was having to hack back my, my broccoli, because it was just an infestation, something that you can't even imagine, of aphids. I think I'm gonna have to chop it up. And that makes me sad because it still has broccoli growing on it. So we'll just have to get what we can. Anyway, you don't care. So here we have the 2 cards it's going to make. And you remember, it does an aperture thing. And I've got this. So I need to actually work one of these up because they're so stinking adorable. They just really, I love diamond presses stuff. So here are both the dies to work with the aperture and the fruits. And then, of course, here are our stamps. And I'll just this box right here. There we go. So hopefully you can see them right side up. Look, amazing how things appear when you're looking at it right side up. But aren't these cute? A peach, a strawberry, the banner, what is it? Berry sweet, as sweet as you can be, right? As can be. There we go. I've got the wrong glasses on again. Sorry. And then over here, then we have, here's the watermelon and here's the bananas. So I orange you. I love it. I love it so very much. Thank you. 1 and a melon. Okay. I love these. These are so, so adorable. And again, as always, another one of these. So, or for me to massacre. And I love this. We have the little pouches. So I can put this all away. Oh my goodness. They're actually having me be efficient. What's up with that, Diamond Press? Wow, look at that. How cool is that? Very, very cool. Now I just have to put them in a binder. We'll have to figure this out. Oh, I love it. I'm going to put that with this. It does not that. Probably should go with the other one, but I'm putting it in this one because I'm not going to, because now it's too fat. So we are going to put that together with this. And put all 3 of these. Wahoo! Oh, I am like even more excited and impressed. Because all of this can be put away. I'm sorry, I have no nails. At least I don't have dirt under my nails. I had to pull out quite a bit of dirt off of me earlier, shower it off. But, ooh, this is really, really cool. I think I'm almost more excited over the darn envelopes than I am about the kit. I'm a nut, I know. What can I say? Now, for this, what is this? What we got here? Oh, these are the Anna Griffin, the Flourish Cut and Emboss folders. These were one of the things that I got excited about from Anna Griffin, and I had to really ratchet back my spending. This, you know, Peanut Gallery's just barely back to work, so it's like I've been floating all our financial boat, which meant, oh my goodness, I have not been able to have the discretionary spending that I usually have. It has made me sad, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's if not this month, next month, or if it doesn't happen now, it'll happen later. But anyway, but these are one of the things that I did want to get, and I'm so glad I snagged them. Because with Anna's kits, you can mix and match so much. And to have the ability to cut flourishes to add to the different cards, the different kits, and Lord knows I have enough. I am really glad I was able to snag one of these. So this is the inspiration sheet, so you can see what, here we go. So here's a picture, and then of course, you know, picture with 1,000 words. Here are the flourishes too. So here, look at that. So it both cuts and embosses. So I'm really jazzed about that. Look at that. We have different, both flourishes and embosses, so I'm jazzed about having these for her cards. You know, just another element of mixing and matching. And I'm already seeing that, watching the previews for next month's for the July craft day, which is going to be on July the 13th. I mean, I already have on my little list, I'm already taking notes of what I want, and up on there is going to be, so far it's the garland cut and emboss folders, again, because if you don't have, you know, why not have more? And then if you guys haven't seen it, I'll link you below to the preview for this week's preview. But oh my gosh, she had come out with a slimline door and window dies. Must have. I'm like, I want to have those. So cross your fingers. Hopefully I will be able to lay my hands on them. But I'm jazzed with this. This is going to be so very pretty and something to be able to put together with the cards that I already, and the all the elements that I already have. So yeah, I'm jazzed. Yay for me. So see, I get to be excited about something. But now I'm going to take that excitement, and believe it or not, guys, I'm actually going to try to start. I mean, I have the stuff here. You just don't see it. My mess on the side here of the cards. The next cards I'm going to work on. So I am, in fact, let me give you just a little sneak peek of tease, so that way it keeps me honest. Where is it? Hold on. There we go. I don't know where the envelope go, because I'm going to use this, the diamond, as the Crafter's Companion. The stamps, the, oh my goodness, the distress stamps. It's not like we'd never done it. But I wanted to do this up for Pride Month for my daughter. So that's what I'm working on. It's going to be an excuse. It'll keep me honest if I actually have something that I want to make with it. So I will be right back in the next video making a card with this. So hang out with me, guys. But meanwhile, thanks so much for coming and watching. I hope you got excited as I did for the goodies. And I will always, if they're still available, I will link you down below so you can get them yourself. They are so worth it. And again, I can't thank you enough for still believing in me, for still coming and watching and hanging out with my videos, all right? And hopefully I will see you soon. Meanwhile, don't ever forget, oh, by the way, and if you still want to see my madness, and I forget, what's wrong with me, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up to at least, you know, stroke my ego, make me feel better, because undeserving as I am. But if you want to see more, by all means, subscribe and ding the bell, and you know when I come back. And meanwhile, don't ever forget, guys, we're all a little mad here. So come scrap the madness. In fact, scrap it from me because apparently right now all I have is a lot of madness. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.